Hello and welcome to a new video on JS. So it will be this week a Sunday video because I have not enough time yesterday. So in this video I will open up a starter deck from the Chaos TCG, and some of you may know what this is. It's a starter deck to the anime series Ikki Tousen, or in the US also known as Battle Vixens. I'm really excited to look in this box because I saw the anime, but not all the seasons because they get worse. The first season was okay, but the second got really down. But I like the manga. So, and it's not to the first season because of the characters here. We have Ruby and Joan, and they're out of the second season. So this starter deck is really old. It was one of the firsts that got released. So some paper, one is the playmat. So I don't know if they also put sometimes a SP card in the starter decks. Would be very awesome. So one moment please, I have to search the thing to open it up. So, found it, it's here. So maybe here it tells who's from which year this is. No, not really. Okay, then to the cards. So starting off with the main character, Hakufu Sonsaku. So at least I can say I got the starter deck. I was searching for the booster box, but it was very expensive, so I didn't buy it. So then Ryomu. She's a very cool character, one of my favorites. Let's see if my favorite character is also in the box. So then we go on with also a very cool character, Kanu Unjo. Get 2 copies of her. And here is my favorite character. It's Joan. So then the first event card with many characters on it. So then her, but sadly I forgot her name, but was never my favorite character. So then her as next one, I don't even remember her. 4 copies. So then we got here our male main character, Kokin. And there are 4 copies of him. So then as next we've got some kind of shrine maiden. 4 copies of her. So then as next we have Ryubi. Four copies of her too. Then her. Sadly, I forgot her name. She's also one of Kanu's and Ryubi's friends. Then again the little girl I forgot the name of. 4 copies of her. So then she's a very cool character. Ryofu. Cool. Then an event card from Kanu. Here it tells us, I don't know if you can read it, Dragon Destiny. So this is the 2nd season. Three copies. Then this here as next. So looks like they are fishing and here is a big fish in the background. Okay. As you can see here it tells Great Guardians. This is the 3rd season. I never saw the 3rd season, so I don't know this scene here. So this as next. And I can't tell which character this is. So then as next, then set card from Hakufu. This guy here, I think this was Motoku, but I'm not 100% sure. So, and then at the end a partner card with Hakufu Sonsaku on it. So, very nice. Okay, I think this is already the 4th season, Extreme Executors. So this was me opening a very old starter deck from the Chaos TCG from Ikki Tousen. So thank you for watching and see you next time.